Hello everybody, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this little rubber here, this lanyard in the gas cap filler. This is a very common breakable thing in these cars, BMW E39 5 Series. So we are going to fix it. First thing, we are going to remove these couple rubbers from the car. So the first one, and this is the second one. To remove this, we are going to get the cap out. To remove the second one, we are going to use little screwdriver, flat screwdriver. Okay, now we are going to get an old brake pad sensor and to cut a little piece of the cover, like an inch or so. Now we are going to clean it all with soap and water. When all is clean and dry, we need to use some glue like this. If the glue is specific for rubber, much better. Fill this cover with glue. Now you must hold it in place till the glue is dry. Now very carefully you can put a little heat. You can use this thing to help you install the rubber into the cap.